Hey guys, it's Ronnie again here with Great Choice Audio Video, and I have Steve again, and we're going to talk to you about a pair of KEF CI200 ERs, and then we have the CI160 RR THXs. Stay tuned, and we'll show you some more, guys. This is the lower quality one of the two. That's a THX model, and it has quite a significant weight difference. But as we open it up here, it has paint guard, always nice paint guards. And you see the driver here on this one in the mid-range tweeter. And you look at the back, it's got a few resistors. Not very, appealing for, a high-end theater room. But for your budget theater room, these are a great type of speaker, right, Steve?
Absolutely.
So
We've hundreds of them.
You got that one there. I'll go ahead and I'll get this other one open real fast, and then Steve will tell you a little bit about the two together.
Well packaged.
I already opened this one earlier. So we get this out. And just again, it's another KEF. KEF always has paint guards with them. And this has a totally different driver. If you take a look over here at our LS50s, those actually have the same driver that they integrated into these speaker here.
Mm-hmm. If you're not familiar with the KEF LS50, just do a Google search.
And then here's the back side of it, so it has a pretty significant size magnet comparison to your other one here. So looking at the back, you can see the major differences. It's got bigger resistors, more resistors.
Much larger.
Magnet is twice the size. And as far as weight, this one's hands down a lot heavier. So, alright.
KEF in general owns more patents in speaker technology than any other company. It's the #1 selling speaker in Great Britain. Probably their #1 patent was their UniQ driver. That came out in the 80s. What it does is it actually disperses sound evenly across a room better than any speaker imaginable. So when you have a big room, put a pair of them in there, it fills it up really, really well. And you can be off to the side, and it doesn't sound like you're underneath one speaker or the other. They sound really, really good. They use that driver in all their speakers, from their $200 in-ceiling speakers to their $235,000 top line 8-foot tall home speakers. Yeah, that's a lot to chew there. But KEF is our top brand. We're the largest KEF dealer in the state of Oklahoma. Yeah, little o us. But we do really, really well with KEF, and our customers enjoy them, and they come back for more. One thing about KEF also is all their speakers are timbre matched. When they're timbre matched, that means they all have the same inherent sound quality. In other words, if Ronnie his voice were to come out of this one, it's going to sound the same as it is coming out of this one. It may not have the same dynamic range. It may not have as much bass as this does, as much highs as this does, but that mid-range, the things that we hear most often, are going to sound the same. So it's not going to sound like Ronnie's little sister coming out of this one here versus this one here. KEF, available at Great Choice Audio Video.
Hey guys, remember to like and subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time. Have a great choice day.
Man,
A little background action. David and Tyler out here working on our wall.
Trying to yank that.
Hey David, what's up? You
Yeah,
gonna say hi to YouTube people?
What's up?
What's up, Tyler?
See how it fights you?
So, this wall right here, we just got done building it, and basically
It's a 2x4 wall, sheetrock on both sides, and we're gonna put a couple pairs of them visible speakers in here.
Right here. Got the,
So stay
knuckle
tuned, and we'll show you more when we get those installed.